Me Fruit Snacks, and what we're going to be watching today is Try Not to Laugh.
Let me check.
My dick fell off! Okay, settle down. Take it easy. I am a Stegosaurus.
Oh, I love this song.
Everything on fleek. Can you take hats in a dignified and sophisticated manner? You mean like a weenie?
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Kaboom by Patrick Star.
I don't give a shit. I will fuck your bitch.
That is the stupidest dance move I've ever seen. Do I look like I give a shit what you think?
I thought of something funnier than 24.
Let me hear it.
The fitness gram pacer test is a...
No guts, no glory. Ah,
My dick fell off!
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Johnson!
Mr. Krabs!
What is it, SpongeBob?
I just wanted to tell you that Squidward loves you.
This nigga gay.
Making me claustrophobic. What does claustrophobic mean?
It means he's afraid of
Niggas! No, it doesn't.
Nigga.
That was you on the bus. Then who was flickering the lights? And what?
This bitch called me ugly. I said bitch where?
And now, poetry by Gary.
I love cheesecake. I love cheesecake at nighttime, real late at night.
I have to apologize. Miss Universe 2015.
Just sing along.
The fitness gram pacer test is a...
Hurry, Gary. The scary robot movie's on.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like,
Hi, how are you?
If you love me, let me go.
This is great. Just the three of us. You, me, and this brick wall you built between us.
suck my ass.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Hey, the mail's...
Sliding down the pole, no panties, no shirt. Then you climb back up the pole, then you drop and do the splits. You make that pussy talk.
Hey, Patrick, what am I now?
Stupid?
Eat that pussy.
Inattentive, impatient, a glazed look in the eyes. Look carefully at the I really wish I right now button. Now, where was I?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Me super hot, boy. 100 degrees, leather jacket. Cause I'm super hot, boy.
Hey, a penny! Unhand that penny or the arm comes off!
Don't be fucking rude. Sorry.
Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry for one. Help! Help! My leg!
We have technology. An ambulance! Where's the ambulance? Hey, settle down. Take it easy. What the John Cena!
You'll say, we're not talking about this or this. We're talking about
John Cena!
Attention, zoo patron!
I just wanted to let you know that you're beautiful.
I gotta dig the booty. I gotta wash the booty. I gotta lick the booty.
You got it set to M for mini. When it should be set to W for...
Why?
We're just downtown. Any questions?
I got one question for you. What are
That answered.
First, don't fuck your bitch in the click you claim. West side, when we ride, come equipped with game. You claim...
Welcome to McDonald's. You want a motherfucking large fry up your asshole before I bitch slap you with a Big Mac, bitch?
Hey, Patrick, how the fuck are you?
And who was flickering the lights?
I know when that hotline bling.
Now for some tunes!
Right pussy, right pussy, fuck me all night. Pussy, make you leave your wife.
Would you show me how to tie my shoes?
Well, I would, but sadly,
My dick fell off.
Now let's see how it looks so far.
Shut the fuck up. No one cares. Know your fucking place. Trash. What do you need?
Cheesecake.
Come on, everybody, let's sing till Santa gets here.
Stroke my, lick my, suck my cock.
He needs some milk. So sing the road song. I wanna sing it all day long.
Take that pile of filth out.
You shouldn't talk about Squidward like that.
Can I have something to eat?
No.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's a number. Psych! That's the wrong number!
It's normal size and fully functional.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Oh, I'm the doopy dooper. You're the doopy dooper.
Young Metro don't trust you. I'm gonna
Free Shavakadoo.
Beautiful morning.
Victory screech.
Suck my Tootsie Roll dick. Suck my Tootsie Roll dick. Suck my Tootsie.
Hi, nigger.
I was in front of you. No, you weren't. You calling me a liar?
I ain't calling you a truther.
Nice catch, Percy.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Hop on that horse! Hop on that horse! You gotta hop on that hop!
These are members of an elite squad known as the Special Victims Unit. These are their stories.
Get easy. What the scallop?
I'm Goofy Goober!
How about a little music?
And now for the number one song.
Panda. I got broad.
Pussy, 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 marijuana, wanna.
Run.
Can you take hats in a dignified and sophisticated manner?
You mean like a weenie?
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Hey, whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
Have you seen this?
It's Iggy Azalea! We will never sleep! Cause sleep is for the weak! We will never rest! So we'll fucking
Escalators!
I got one question for you. What are those? You better back the fuck up when you get smacked the fuck.
Hey, SpongeBob, wanna see my new shoes?
What are those?
You know, we can. Patrick, look, it's
Niggas.
My nigga, my motherfucking nigga!
Devin on the beat.
Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy.
What do you need?
Dick!
Do my dance on your dick. Oh, you know you love this shit.
Run. You're facing the wrong way, sir.
Give me money, you fucking nigger.
Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke.
Tag on your head.
Why? Oh, except you gave me the ugly.
Excited.
Don't they know I'm busy spoiling myself?
Krusty Krab is unfair. Mr. Krabs is in there, standing at the concession, plotting his oppression.
I always spank my dough. Who's your daddy? All right, now we're gonna cover, let it rest.
Larry!
Hey, Vaz, you wanna see my face when I eat the pussy? Yeah. First, let me hop out the motherfucking Porsche on her if that ass don't sit like a horse.
None of you wetheads would last a minute on my turf.
Do we have to wear pickle jars? I will build a great, great wall on our southern border, and I will have Mexico pay for that wall.
Let's eat. Oops.
Oh, fuck!
And
What's up, fuckers?
Help! Help!
Fuck you!
I just fuck your bitch with some Gucci flip-flops.
I never fucked Wayne, I never fucked Drake.
This is a load of fun.
1 minute of this remarkable event. Attention, Bikini Bottom. Fuck her right in the pussy.
SpongeBob, is that you?
Love me like you do. Love me like you do.
Wow. Leave something in the comments if you want to watch some more, and I'll see you in my next video.